Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on secure storage on Messenger. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Messenger application. Once inside, you'll be on the main screen, which displays your chats menu. This is where all your conversations will appear. Step 2. Now, look at the top left of your screen where you'll find 3 vertical lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the settings option on the right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now, scroll down to find the privacy and safety option, then tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the end-to-end encrypted chats option and tap on it. Step 6. Now locate the message storage option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 7. For the last and most important step, select the Turn on Secure Storage option. Then enter your 6-digit PIN to restore your chat history and turn on secure storage instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.